Solve the equation and check the solution. 7 minus, in parentheses, m minus 4 is equal to negative 3m plus 2 times, in parentheses, m plus 1. Let's begin by using the distributive property on the left and distributing this minus sign through. So on the left we'll have a 7 minus m, and minus a negative 4 is plus 4. On the right hand side, negative 3m plus, let's distribute the 2 through as well. 2 times m is 2m plus 2 times 1, or 2. Combining like terms on the left gives negative m plus 11, which comes from the 7 plus 4. And combining like terms on the right, negative 3m plus 2m is a negative m. And we have that plus 2 constant value out there as well. Now we have something interesting here. Notice, negative m plus 11 is equal to negative m plus 2. That can't ever happen. And in fact, if we take the next step in solving this equation by adding m to both sides, trying to collect the m terms together, notice that adding m to both sides is going to cancel that term from both sides, leaving us with a false statement. 11 is equal to 2. That's not true. Here we have an equation that is a contradiction. It has no solution, and we say that the solution set is the empty set.